What's cooking? It's your unique tech geek, Professor LowwCook of LowwCookProduction.com, the place where we have the recipe for your creative success. And you're watching Studio Geeks on Watch Me Cook TV. Most computers nowadays have multiple hard drives. Some systems are starting to incorporate what is known as an M.2 NVMe drive, which is basically the size of a stick of gum. It's a small hard drive that can fit into your system and allow for space for a larger hard drive, such as an HD drive, such as an HHD drive or an SSD drive. Today, I'm going to be swapping out my M.2 drive, my 128 gigabyte M.2 drive, with a 500 gigabyte M.2 drive. This Samsung 970 Evo Plus drive, which can be up to 300 times faster than your standard HHD drive. That's amazing. You know what else is amazing? For you to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that dinner bell so that you can be up to date when there's something new on the menu. Let's get cooking with this upgrade. I'm excited and I'm ready to go. I hope that wasn't too hard for you guys. Having 500 gigabytes instead of 128 gigabytes is going to make for a lot more space on my system. Now I can have my operating system on my main C drive, as well as a few other key plugins and VSTs that I like to run on a faster drive. I think it'll make for a better workflow and a faster process. Make sure you guys be on the lookout for the next episode. Feel free to go check out some of the other videos on the channel. Cook out.